Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am light. You are the standard. You are the torch. You are the lighthouse that is leading everyone to safety, leading everyone to a new way of life, a new breakthrough, a new lifestyle. Whatever you've been creating for the peace in your life, I want you to show the rest of the world, because we need you. I need you. The world is changing so fast, and we need all the intellect from all the zodiacs to play their part. And your part is so huge. You're a healer. You're a leader. You're a comforter. You are the light. We found a way to sustain, not maintain, not survive, but live. Therefore, we need you to be the best version of yourself, so we can see that, we can mimic that, so we can ask you. You could tell us how you survived and how you turn your lifestyle into a living, your hobby into a living. This is going to be one of the greatest gifts you can give to the world. I always have hope no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future because you always excel to the next level. Greatness is for you. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to give you your best. They always want to keep blessing you. I turn darkness into light. I open my heart to others and to God, and I'm spiritually strong, and I draw light to me, and I shine with all my being for the whole world to see. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.